30 different charges. I will not continue to play this game. I'm done with it. Come on. Yeah, of course.
Judge, I'm approaching on Phil Dieterville. Do you remember him? You said you would not do time served. You wanted him to do substance abuse treatment.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything.
T-Res came back for SATF.
Do it.
Have a 1 year deferred. We're going to do. Would that be acceptable?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm just going to have.
And then SATF as a condition. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Judge,
absolutely.
We're going to get that done today. Provided
Let's do it. I'm with you.
Judge, on Mr. Dieterville, he said that he's not interested in doing a probation. Would you be willing to
Don't care.
consider any type of county time off?
No, if he doesn't want to, I'm going to set his case for trial and we'll just go that route. I will not accept any more deals. I will not do anything else with as many cases that he has. He continues to, as soon as we get out, if I had to take it, time served, what's going to happen? We're back here in a week with another case. I'm not going to do it anymore. And I
Judge,
told
I'll
you.
talk. Do you want us to get a trial date today, or would you want us to wait up like 2 weeks? If
Have you gotten the evidence?
well, let me see, Judge. I don't think the discovery is complete. Let me talk to the state.
Yeah, make sure it's complete and then we'll set it. And you know, I'll do whatever you want to do, but no more games. I'm done with it.
Yeah, he keeps asking for county time, Judge. So
I don't care.
I'll talk.
I want more hair. I'm not going to get it. 30 different charges. And I told you the last time, Mr. Dieterville, that if you had ever pick up another case, that I will set your case for trial and we will do DDRP, the Dual Diagnosis Residential Program. I will not continue to play this game where you pick up theft cases, plead guilty to time served, get out, and next week you pick up another case. I'm done with it. I'm not going to do it. What do you want to do now? What do you want to do now?
What I gotta do?
Sorry?
What I have to do, I guess.
What you got to do?
I guess, take probation, I guess.
You said take probation, Judge.
How long I be in that place? What about age?
No,
6 months.
no,
6 months.
no.
They go to probation?
You will be in the facility 6 to 9 months, depending on how well you respond to treatment. I'm done with you taking time serves and continuing to pick up cases, continuing to go to the same places where you continue to trespass and steal. That's it.
Like,
We've got now 30 charges of the same thing over and over and over.
that's bad, sir. No, yeah.
Do you understand what I'm trying to do? Think about it. What am I doing?
What you wanna do? I guess, sure. I gotta deal with it again. All I got is trespass. That's it. Got trespass. Golly.
How many trespasses you got, Mr. Dieterville?
Man, I don't know. I don't think, sure, I don't know, probably 2, 3. They way old though. They super old. It ain't in your courtroom. I never been in your courtroom for no trespass, only for theft. You thought it was a theft. You thought it was a theft, but it's a trespass this time.
Okay. So now, May, you picked up a trespass. February of this year, theft. August, theft. August, another theft. August, another theft.
Yeah, that's what I know.
April, theft. January, evading arrest. January, evading arrest. I'm sorry, evading arrest, January, theft. November, theft. October, criminal trespass.
Wait, the rest.
September, criminal trespass. September, criminal trespass. July, criminal trespass.
Not you.
May, theft. May, theft. April, theft. March, theft. December, theft. November, trespass. And it goes on And it
Not in
goes
your
on
courtroom, though.
as the day is long.
Not in your courtroom. I never called a trespass.
They're all here, Mr. DeVille. And I'm telling you,
It must be another judge then. 'Cause I never got trespass in the courtroom. All up there. I remember that. I gotta take probation, they go into place 6 to 9 months.
is this Saturday? Can he just get up and leave?
No, it's one where they stay.
Okay.
It's originated.
This is a facility that I want you to participate in so we can end this cycle of you picking up these cases over and over and over. And Mr. DeVille, look at me. I'm telling you, from now on, every case, we will do this from now on until you get it. Do you understand, sir? We have to end this cycle one way or the other. And I hope that I'm doing so that this ends once and for all.
Put me in the facility, they don't make no difference. 'Cause I might just mess up any kind of way. You gotta be on probation, anything might happen. Shit, man. You already know that anything
And
happen,
we will
man.
continue to do this until you actually get it.
I'm gonna try to make sure I come in your courtroom. That's a fact. But that ain't cool.
There's only one way. Stop picking up trespass cases. Stop picking up theft cases. You do that, you'll never see me again. I know I'm not pretty. That's all I'm asking, man.
You gotta get probation on trespass and go to.
Really? I'm not being cool? Really?
Yo, just.
I'm not being
A
cool?
year probation, and then I gotta go to a rehab. I go turn myself into a rehab anyway. But you want me to stay in
Hey,
there 6
look at
months?
this way. This way, I'm paying it for you. You don't have to shed out a dime. But Mr. DeVille,
You gotta pay, you get it free.
we will continue to do this from now on. Every case you pick up, look at me, think, because every time you get the itch to do the trespass or theft case, when you see me, because I have jurisdiction for you for 5 years, I will see you. We will do the same thing.
I'll take a try.
I am so happy. Good. I'm glad that you don't think I'm cool.
Should take a try now. Well,
Hey, you know what? I'm okay with that.
I should do.
Now, you have this criminal trespass. As part of this, you will do SATF, which is the inpatient treatment facility. Do you understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine the accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this, you can never change this. You understand? Do you want to take this offer?
They help you get your ID and stuff like that? Yeah. It's so good to talk to.
I don't know about social security, but there are like counselors and like recovery coaches there that help you with all this.
What do you think?
I'm a rock in a hard spot, so I gotta deal with that, man.
Easy. And it's going to be this difficult every single time from now on.
Right now.
So you want to do this?
I gotta do, what else you want me to do? Shoot. What else you want me to do? I can't do nothing
I
else.
want you to be happy, Mr. Dieterville.
We ain't never got this. I'm getting my brother trespassing. That's cool, man. You just bother me.
Wonderful. I'm happy that you're not happy.
I see love. Put a gun out of something and use it to place. I trespass. That's crazy.
I know, it's
That's
crazy,
killing
isn't
me,
it?
man. For real.
It's crazy.
That ain't cool, man. Gotta get probation, then go to rehab. I can go to rehab
So
myself.
look, we have a lot of business. You want to do this? Yes or no?
How to do it? What else you want me to do?
Okay. How do you plead to the offense, sir? I will find you guilty. I'm going to wish you the best of luck inside. Please listen. Please take it to heart, Mr. DeVille. All I want you to do is not come back. If you come back to me, we're going to do the same thing over and over. So get ready. I will play this game with you until we both lose hair.
The defendant appeared before the court facing yet another criminal trespass charge, adding to a lengthy rap sheet comprising dozens of prior theft and evasion offenses. During the hearing, prosecutors detailed an exhaustive history of repetitive criminal behavior and short-term jail stints that failed to deter future lawbreaking. As the facts emerged, the judge questioned the defendant's endless cycle of offenses and openly rejected any further lenient time-served agreements. Witness testimony and courtroom statements highlighted a persistent pattern of recidivism across numerous recorded court files. The defendant attempted to negotiate alternative terms while expressing frustration over the mandated inpatient treatment program. After reviewing the extensive case history, the judge ultimately